given. I am confident that Batch 2000, headed by Janice Bowie, will continue to lead us toward even greater success. I wish them all the best as they take on this new responsibility.
Okay, so this time, now it is my pleasure to introduce to you Ms. Janice Bowie, the president of Batch 2000. Let's give her a round of applause, please. From PCNHS alumni are all excited to see where Batch 2000 will take all alumni at the next Grand Alumni Homecoming. So, now the moment we've all been waiting for, the official handover of keys. Ma'am Chona Makatagdang, please present the keys to Ma'am Janice Bowie. Picture tayo. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Asa na mga ka-batch? Batch 2000, please join them.
Before I receive this key of responsibility, I would like to request, because I cannot do this alone.
Yes.
So I would like to request my batchmates from 2000 to please come join me here. We will be doing this as a team. So good evening, everyone. My respect to all our VIP guests present tonight, Kuya Gong Bahib, retired teachers, alumni officers and members. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the two batches who hosted this successful 2024 Grand Alumni Homecoming. No other than, of course, the Batch 1999 led by no less than Ate Maraming Limonte Verde Beronoy, and of course, Batch 1983 Ma'am Chona Makatagdang. It was a job well done. Congratulations! To be honest, when I arrived here inside this venue, I was really in awe. It was superb, grabe ang preparations. With that, I really feel yung pressure dito sa mga batchmates na, oh my God, di ba masyado yun namang ginalingan mo? Parang taas kayo ng level of expectation for the next. But with all honesty, on behalf of my batchmates, Batch 2000, we wholeheartedly and humbly accept this key of responsibility for 2025 Grand Alumni Homecoming. 2025, go, kaya natin. Of course, we know for the fact that this key bears the weight of a big task. We look forward for it and more support for us this 2025. Mabuhay ang Batch 1999 and Batch 1983.
Okay, let's have a souvenir. Everybody, closer, get closer, get closer. With this key transfer, we signify not just change in leadership, but also our ongoing commitment to our mission. That's to support each other as we move forward together. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Palapakan po natin ang incoming, ang Batch 2000 and for the outgoing 1983 and Batch 1999. Thank you and congratulations.